In this video, we listed the 5 best laser levels on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Clubiona 16 Laser Level. The Clubiona 16/12 lines laser level is a versatile tool designed for precise leveling tasks. With a self-leveling feature and a powerful green beam laser, it enables accurate 360-degree horizontal and vertical alignment. The pulse mode allows for compatibility with a receiver, extending its range and functionality. This laser level boasts a wavelength of 505 to 520 nanometers, ensuring clear and visible lines. Its compact size, remote control capability, and various measurement models make it suitable for a range of applications, both indoors and outdoors. With features like a Li-ion battery, a working radius of 20 m, and a working time of 8 hours, this Clubiona laser level is a reliable and efficient tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 2. LFINE 16 lines laser level. The LFINE 360/08 laser level offers a range of features and advantages for various applications. Its self-leveling system, high brightness green laser, and precise measurement capabilities make it convenient and versatile for different engineering needs. With adjustable lines and international standard waterproof and dustproof protection, it ensures durability in harsh environments. The device's large capacity battery and plus 3-degree automatic self-leveling function further enhance its usability. The bright and slender green light provides clear visibility even in sunlight, making it ideal for tasks like tiles fixing, wall decoration, and floor installations. The LFINE 360/08 model, with 16 lines and a green light wavelength of 515 nanometers, offers an effective working range of 30 meters and horizontal and vertical accuracy of 1 mm at 7 am. Certified with CE, FCC, and other standards, this laser level from LFINE is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a reliable tool for woodworking and other DIY projects. Number 3. Huepar 4D laser level. The 904DG 4X 360 green laser level by Huepar is a versatile and reliable tool for various leveling and alignment tasks. It projects 16 green laser lines with a Class 2 laser beam that has a power output of less than 1 MW. The laser level offers precise horizontal and vertical accuracy of plus 3 mm and plus 1 9-inch at 33 feet respectively. It features self-leveling and manual modes with a leveling range of plus 4 degrees and a quick leveling time of 3s. The device comes with a remote control for convenient operation, allowing you to select and control the laser lines up to a distance of 33 feet. With a working distance of 40 m and an operating time of 8 hours on a built-in Li-ion battery, this laser level is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its IP54 rating ensures durability in various working conditions, while features like line switching, pulse modes, and a magnetic pivoting base enhance usability and accuracy. The package includes essential accessories like a wall hanging plate, magnetic base, remote control, and a user manual, making it a comprehensive solution for professional and DIY projects. Number 4. Huepar S04 CG laser level. The Huepar S04 CG 16 lines 4D green laser level is a versatile and reliable tool designed for precise leveling and alignment tasks. It features a Class 2 laser with a power output of 1 MW, ensuring safety during operation. The device comes with a range of useful specifications, including a Germany Osram green beam laser diode, horizontal vertical accuracy of plus 3 mm, and a working distance of at least 20 ms, 40 ms with a detector. The laser level is equipped with a variety of convenient features, such as self-leveling and manual modes, pulse mode for extended working range, and a remote control for easy operation. It also includes a durable metal construction, multiple installation methods, and a smart Bluetooth connection for control via a mobile app. The package contents include various accessories like a hard shell carry case, wall hanging plate, and batteries. With its advanced features and solid build quality, the Huepar S04 CG16 is a reliable tool for professionals in construction, renovation, and other precision tasks. Number 5. LFINE 3D/4D Laser Level. The LFINE 3D/4D laser level offers high precision and convenience for various leveling tasks. With 12 or 16 lines and a 360 degrees horizontal and vertical range, it provides accurate results. The use of Osram's green laser unit ensures stability and resistance to temperature changes. A large capacity rechargeable lithium battery allows for 6 hours of continuous use, reducing the need for frequent charging. The device features self-leveling and manual modes, with a remote control for easy operation. Its durable design, including ABS construction and TPR rubber covering, ensures protection and a longer lifespan. With a working range of about 30 m, this laser level is suitable for indoor and outdoor projects like floor laying, woodworking, and construction. The product specifications include a wavelength of 515 nanometers, precision of 1 mm at 7 m, and various certifications. Overall, the LFINE laser level is a versatile and reliable tool for both light-duty and heavy-duty leveling tasks.